In this video, I'll show you how to disable the Xbox game bar completely in Windows 11 and 10. Sometimes it runs in the background and slows things down a bit, so let's get rid of it properly.
So first, open up the Windows search bar and look for PowerShell. When it shows up, just run it as administrator.
Now, once PowerShell is open, type this command carefully: Get-AppxPackage space dash all users space Microsoft.XboxGamingOverlay. Then add a space, a vertical line, and then another space, Remove-AppxPackage. I'll have this command in the description as well. Once you have the command in, press Enter. Now, wait for the process to complete. When it's done, try pressing Windows key and G together. If nothing happens, that means it's fully disabled. And that's all there is to it. Simple and clean. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more simple tips.